problem. You don't understand marketing. Somebody told you you needed some marketing and they suggested PR to you, but you don't know the difference between marketing and public relations. So therefore, we have to open up this issue so you can understand what goes wrong when you pay for PR too early. Check it out. PR is designed for a marketing campaign. It is to get the message out to the public through the marketing, okay? The marketing is to find the market, but PR is our delivery vehicle, okay? So therefore, we got to get a schedule together for using this PR agent. And then we got to hire the PR agent for the necessary times. Now, after we hire this PR agent for the necessary times, you got to know what you need for the PR. This increases our public awareness of the artist. That's why we're doing this. Putting yourself in a better position for exposure and increasing your ancillary opportunities, everything around you that's going to make the cash flow for you. Okay, that's why we need it. Now, if you're hesitant to spend or hire, I understand, because you don't exactly know, what you're spending on. Where's this money going to go? How are we going to break this down? But when you do it, you got to understand that we need this for our touring, our music releases. We need this for important events and anything that may come about. So there's a certain time in which you hire for this. I don't want you to just leave it out based on the intro to this video so far. We need PR, but there's a certain time and place to purchase it. So when you get this right, those important dates that you have with the PR agent hired at the right time will turn into pivotal moments for your career, and which is what we want. So now, let's make this happen. My name is Casey Graham, and this is the Music Money Makeover Show. First thing we want to do is we want to get a schedule together for our important release dates, our important event dates, okay? List all of your product releases, your events, your shows that require press. You see where I already just turned the video. Let's go through it again. List your important release dates, your events, your product releases, and shows and whatnot that require press. Boom. Now we have time windows now. Before you start this huge run, make sure you're about 90 days out before you hire this PR person. You got to give them some time to work their magic, learn you, learn your story, and learn where they need to go. Trust me, social media won't be enough to make these events stick. That's why we hire PR. You need press. Now, when we get this PR agent, they're going to work on these dates and they're going to understand that we have to congregate these dates together in order to hire for the time frame. Now that we have a time frame, what we're going to do is we're going to hire them for our congregated dates that we have together. We're going to hire them for that time frame. Now we're not wasting as much money anymore. We're not just, I got to hire a PR and we have nothing going on. No. We have dates and specific things that we need press for. Now let's go hire one. They need time to work their connections that they have. And then once they work those connections, then you need time with them so that you can correlate the interviews based on your schedule. You see how this goes? So our PR and our manager is going to be working together. Deciding on a PR agent for a certain time frame saves you money so that you can decide on a PR agent later for the whole year, right? But at least you get a chance to try out one and see how much press they can get you for a short run. That's what we want to do. We got to have these trial efforts. Now, you got to know what you need the PR agent or the public relations agent for, whether it be internet publishing, whether it be radio interviews or podcast interviews, or whether it be influencer marketing. They have connections in all these areas, but you got to be specific on what you need, and they're going to tell you what they can offer you as well. Now, if this makes sense for you, book a call with me because I can help you break down your market so that you don't waste money on your PR agent. All right, when we win at this, we get the increased public awareness of you as an artist and what you're doing. That's what we want to do here. It's better positioning for more exposure, and it's more opportunities across the board for everything. That's what happens when you hire the PR agent and place them in your process at the right time. We got to get a schedule together of all your important dates, your events, your releases, you name it. Product launches, all that. We got to get that together. And then we're going to hire the PR agent for the necessary time frames. And then you're going to also have to know what you need that PR for. Make sense? Book a call with me. It's a process. Remember that. If you make music, you should make money. Follow for more music business tips. Visit musicmoneymakeover.com, and I'll see you next time. Peace.